Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online privacy with ExpressVPN, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your online privacy using ExpressVPN, start by visiting the official ExpressVPN website. Select the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a plan, click the Get ExpressVPN button. Fill in your email address and create a password to establish your account. After completing the sign-up process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. Next, download the ExpressVPN application compatible with your device. If you're using Windows or Mac, select the appropriate version for your operating system. For mobile devices, download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, launch the ExpressVPN app. Log in using your email address and the password you created earlier. After logging in, you'll see a large power button in the center of the screen. Click the power button to connect to the fastest server. To customize your connection, click on the location bar to choose from various server locations. Select a server from the list to access content as if you were in that country. For added security, explore the settings menu to enable features such as the kill switch. The kill switch will prevent your data from being exposed if the VPN connection drops. Make sure to also enable the split tunneling feature if you only want certain apps to use the VPN. Once you've adjusted your settings, you're ready to browse the internet securely. Always remember to connect to ExpressVPN before performing sensitive online activities. This will ensure that your data remains private and secure. Periodically check for updates to keep your application secure. Enjoy a safer, more private online experience with ExpressVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.